This tray has watermelon seeds. Some of them I put 2 seeds, and some of them I put 1 seed. And then you go over to the next one. And the next one is the corn. I haven't tried corn in a long time. And I haven't tried, watermelon in a long time. So I'm going to see how that goes in container gardening. This is where I'm putting the humidity domes. Right here. I'm going to do 3 more. And they're underneath plastic. It's like triple plastic. You got a humidity dome. You got this plastic draped over. And then you have the greenhouse plastic. This is Joe, Cosmic Gardens Farmstead. The seed trays I planted last week. Some of them have already germinated. And they're looking pretty good. These are assorted sunflowers. I still have some underneath the dome. These are dahlias. And this is my area where I kept them. And as you go down this way, you'll see I'm trying to grow some corn. Corn's looking really good. I had to bring the cucumber seedlings in because it was getting too cold at night for them. And then they just started withering away. And in this humidity dome I have, trying to grow some watermelon. There's a few there.